What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Tide Business Account. Tide offers a range of innovative financial solutions designed specifically for small businesses, including a free business current account with no monthly fees and built-in accounting software. With Tide, businesses can manage their finances efficiently, track their spending, and access funding options to help them grow and thrive. Now, let's talk about some of its benefits and features. Instant Saver Account. The Instant Saver Account from Tide offers a competitive variable rate of 4.33% AER, allowing businesses to earn interest on their savings without any regular deposits required. This feature provides unlimited withdrawals and there are no penalties or notice periods, making it a convenient and flexible option for managing business funds. With the Instant Saver Account, businesses can earn interest on their savings while still having access to their funds when needed. Portable Card Reader. Tide's Portable Card Reader is a convenient and secure way for businesses to take payment on the go. The card reader is compatible with the Tide app and allows for quick and easy transactions. With no monthly fees or contracts, business can incur a small transaction fee for each payment. This feature provides a flexible and reliable solution for businesses that need to accept payments in various locations. Accounting Software. Tide's accounting software simplifies bookkeeping and financial reporting for businesses. The software integrates with the Tide app and provides real-time bookkeeping scores, automated profit and loss reports, and easy invoicing. With Tide Accounting, businesses can streamline self-assessment and VAT, track expenses, and generate financial statements and reports. This feature helps businesses stay organized and on top of their finances, making it easier to make informed business decisions. Business Loans. Tide offers UK government-backed startup loans from £500 to £25,000 with a fixed 6% annual interest rate. These loans are designed to help businesses access funding for various needs such as expanding operations, investing in new equipment, or covering unexpected expenses. With a secure and reliable loan option, businesses can borrow money without impacting their credit score. Tide's business loans provide a flexible and affordable way for businesses to access the funding they need to grow and thrive. Expense Cards. Tide's MasterCard expense cards are designed to automate expense tracking and categorization for businesses. With these cards, businesses can set spending limits, freeze or cancel card as needed, and earn cashback on Tide card transactions. The expense cards provide a convenient and organized way for businesses to manage their expenses, making it easier to track and manage company spending. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. Tide's customer support is limited to in-app and email support for all customers. Telephone support is only available for Plus, Pro, and Cashback account holders on working days. This limited support structure may not be suitable for businesses that require immediate assistance or have complex issues that cannot be resolved through digital channels. Tide does not support check deposits, which can be inconvenient for businesses that frequently receive payments via check. This limitation may require businesses to use alternative methods for depositing checks, such as using a different bank or incurring additional fees for depositing cash. The Tide Free account charges for transfers, which can accumulate for businesses with high transaction volumes. This fee structure may not be cost-effective for businesses that rely heavily on frequent transactions. Additionally, there are fees for depositing cash at paypoints or at the post office, which can add up for businesses dealing with significant cash transactions. In conclusion, Tide offers a comprehensive suite of financial tools and services designed to simplify and streamline business operations. By leveraging Tide's innovative solutions, businesses can manage their finances efficiently, access funding options, and grow their operations with confidence. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.